Here everyone, I'll show you how to factory reset your MacBook, pretty much any Mac. So all you have to do is just turn it off completely, shut it down, and then once you shut it down, you need to click Command and R. So two of these buttons, Command and R. Okay, click Command and R, and then power. And now keep holding Command and R. Keep holding until this logo comes up, and then once it passes all this stuff, okay, once it loads to the screen, you go to Disk Utility right here on the bottom, as you can see, and I click Disk Utility, and I click Continue, and now you want to select which drive you want to erase. So usually you have one of them, so you click here, click on it right here, and then you select it, and then click Erase. It's gonna delete everything off your computer. Everything will be gone. Your OS, everything will need to be set up completely after you do this. Okay, done. Once you click this, you can close and restore. You just need to reinstall macOS. That's all you need to do left. And it's gonna be just like new, like you bought it brand new after you do this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.